Wear disposable gloves and a face mask when cleaning to minimize direct contact and inhalation risks. Use gloves that fit well and discard them after each cleaning session or when moving between different restrooms. Before putting gloves on, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and dry with a clean towel to reduce contamination under the gloves. Use a single-use face mask if you expect dust, aerosolized particles, or to avoid splashes near the nose and mouth, and replace it if it becomes damp. Carry 2 sets of gloves if you will clean multiple bathrooms and change them between rooms to prevent cross-contamination. Remove and discard gloves by peeling them off without touching the skin. Clean and disinfect tools like brushes and mop heads after use with an appropriate disinfectant and let them air dry. Store them separately from household linens. After completing cleaning, remove the mask and wash your hands again, then launder any reusable cleaning cloths in hot water and detergent. Common mistakes include reusing gloves between rooms, which transfers pathogens, so switch to a fresh pair when moving from one restroom to another. Another frequent issue is touching your face while cleaning, which can introduce bacteria or viruses. Keep the mask and gloves on until you have finished and washed your hands to reduce that risk. People also underestimate surface contact points like light switches and door handles. Wipe down these high-touch areas last with a disinfectant and allow the surface to remain wet for the full contact time recommended on the product label. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find and connect with trusted local contractors for home cleaning and maintenance-related projects. Our site also helps contractors find work and grow their client base, and we host a discussion community where members share tips and ask practical questions about cleaning safety and personal protection.